Surely funny. Assalamu alaikum. The peace and blessings be upon you. Good morning. It's nearly 11 a.m. in the morning. How are you, good people at home? I hope everyone pretty well by the blessing of Almighty. And this is a wonderful day today. I think you people already understood what I'm saying. Wonderful. You have almost seen that I'm holding an umbrella. The weather is so boozy. So nice weather today. It's raining outside. I can show you, yes, there's so rain, so I couldn't tie my device outside. There's an umbrella. It's actually really good in surrounding. It's raining, it's still cold, wet, fizzy. So nice day. Oh, I'm loving it. Oh, Mr. Doggy. Meet Mr. Doggy. Would you like to come in?